Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are feeling great. My name is Shade. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these delicious fish rolls. So guys, if you are interested, continue watching. But before we start, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, let's get started. So guys, for this recipe, here are the two microfish that I'm going to use for this recipe. I'll go out and clean up the fish. I'll be right back. So now I'm going to be spicing the fish. I'll add some black pepper, ginger, garlic, salt. I'm going to add a little amount of water. Then I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook for about 8 minutes. So guys, as you can see, the fish is ready. I'm going to be taking the bones away from the fish. Please guys, make sure to remove all the bones. Most especially if you want to give it to your little ones at home. Please do that very well and take off the bone away. So now I'm going to be using my fork to divide the fish into tiny pieces, but you can use your food processor as well to do this process. So guys, to add more flavor to this mackerel fish, I'll be adding some peppers, onions, and I like adding pepper to mackerel fish. But if you know you don't like peppers, you can just skip the pepper. But pepper just add this flavor to it. You can give it a try. So in a hot pan, I'll be adding some olive oil. I'll add onions to the pan. I'm going to saute for about 1 minute. Then I will add the paprika, pepper, black pepper, a little amount of seasoning, salt. Then I'll stir everything together. I will allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now I'll be adding the fish. Then I'll make sure I mix everything together properly. And I will leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, I'm going to test it. If everything is okay, then I will set it aside. I will allow it to cool down. In my bowl, I have 1 kilo of plain flour. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, nutmeg. I'll mix everything together. Then I'll make a well in the middle of the bowl. I will add 2 eggs. I will add 100 grams of melted butter. I'm going to be adding the water bit by bit. Then I'll mix everything together. So now I'm going to be kneading the dough with my hands, and while I'm kneading the dough, I will be adding the water bit by bit. You don't want to add too much water. You just have to add the water bit by bit until you achieve the right consistency. And the consistency you need, you don't want it to be too soft or rather too hard. As you can see, the dough is not too soft or too hard. So now I'll cover it with my plastic film. Then I will leave it for about 30 minutes. So here is our dough. 30 minutes have passed. I'm just going to knead the dough for just 1 minute. Now I'm going to be dividing the dough into the size that will be easy for me to work with. So guys, it's time for me to start rolling up the fish roll. As you can see, the way I'm rolling it, I don't want the dough to be too thin. Then I will add the fish. I'm going to roll it very tight. Then I will use some egg wash to seal it up properly because I don't want my fish roll to open up when I'm frying it. I'm going to use my hands to seal it up properly. Then I will repeat the process one more time.
So I'll take another one.
Here are all the fish rolls. It's time for us to start the frying process. I'm going to be frying the fish roll with some vegetable oil. As you can see, I'm testing the oil if it's hot enough. You don't want your oil to be too hot because if your oil is too hot, your fish roll is going to cook outside, but inside is not going to cook. And I'll be frying this fish roll for about 10 to 12 minutes and make sure to stir it time to time so that the fish roll will cook evenly. So guys, as you can see, our fish roll is ready. This fish roll was really delicious. You can give it a try and let me know in the comment section. So if you've watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell icon to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. So please share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.